So something I noticed just as a teacher going through proofs is one of the biggest mix-ups that students will go through is not really knowing exactly what goes into the statements columns and what goes into the reasonings columns. I'll see them mixed up. I'll see the reasonings left blank, just all sorts of things. So I've set up this assignment that we're going to do today as a way to figure out exactly what goes in statements and what goes in reasons. It's real silly. It's real simple. It's just a way for you to get comfortable with the statements and reasons. So it might not feel like a math assignment. It might feel kind of crazy, but there's a reason that I'm doing it. So we're going to use the non-math examples to figure this out. So this is my non-math proof. My claim is that Whataburger is better than In-N-Out. So notice that on my statement side, on the statements is what I might, if we were having a conversation, these are the points that I would give to you. Like if we're talking and I say Whataburger is better than In-N-Out, you go, no, you're crazy. Why would you say that? I'd say number one, Whataburger has a way better marketing plan. Two, Whataburger uses larger beef patties. Three, Whataburger has a more extensive menu than In-N-Out. Four, Whataburger has saltier fries because they put salt in the flour. And five, Whataburger has way larger shake sizes. I can get a shake the size of my head, and it's amazing. So those are my statements. They're my arguments. Reasonings, there I have linked the articles that prove that my statements are true. There's a bunch of different articles I've pulled up to prove that Whataburger does have a good marketing program and that they do use larger beef patties, and like all those facts are not just things I'm making up. I could say whatever I want for the statements, but if it's not actually true, it doesn't matter. This isn't exactly like how geometry proofs go. You'll see that they kind of build on one another, and then we'll have a more definitive yes or no answer. But again, the silly assignment is just a way for y'all to get comfortable with the difference between statements and reasons. So you'll see linked in the Google Classroom is just the instructions and another example. But basically, you're going to be doing this about whatever you want. It can be silly. It can be more serious. It could be like why we should never give homework, or why TSAS's new mascot should be whatever. Like it just can be anything you want. I've seen people defend basketball players being the best. I've also seen really like elegant writings on like gun control or the opposite. Just like whatever you want to do, this is your time just to mess around. All I need are 5 statements defending your claim and 5 reasonings that prove that each statement is true. Notice that my statements and reasons are lined up so that this article that proves the statement is right across from it. And you can use, reasonings can be repeated. So if you found multiple facts from the same article, just put it on multiple points. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. I want you to have fun with this today. Yeah, it's just a way to get comfortable with the format.